Timu iria ciothe iranyita itemi kimera-ini kieru kia Kenya Premier League no nginyagia cikinyanirie ikiro ciothe niguo cietikirio kunyita itemi ligi-ini nene ya bururi kiama kia mubira gitaro-ini kia Africa kiugite Kenya ni itigitwo na thutha hari ukuria wa mubira na kuhinga mawatho ma FIFA. Arugamiriri kuma timu ciothe 18 iria igathaka KPL ari hamwe na timu ya Murang'a Seal maranyita itemi kigomano-ini kiria kibangitwo ni kiama kia mubira gitaro-ini kia Africa nikio CAF. Mamwe ma mawatho na mĩtaratara iria ibatie kuhingio ni hamwe na gukorwo na timu ya atumia hari o kirabu kuriha athaki na guitha kana guthakira iharo-ini ikinyanirie ikiro.
I think if you have to be part of something, there has to be rules and regulations. And I think what CAF is doing is that it's slowly trying to make clubs realize that you have to be professional when you get to a certain point. And I think those are the requirements that are being brought downwards to all the countries, across Africa. Now, if we have to get to the level of your Zamaleks, your Al Ahlis, your Mamelodi Sundowns, then these are the baby steps that you need to begin with.
Club licensing, it's a good procedure because, one, it is going to instill discipline in clubs because at my club, we insist on integrity, which I think the club licensing is capturing that. Transparency, which is the same thing, the club license is capturing that. Paying players, which has been a big problem in our league.
Club licensing, as you well know, is a process which was set up by both FIFA and CAF that charts a way to professionalize club football, not just globally but also locally. So FIB works with clubs. Today's workshop was to sensitize the clubs. They're already aware of licensing, but there've been a new set of regulations that have been put together by CAF, which the local federation is also a member association.